So what actually Google Tag Manager or GTM? Think of it as the middleman. Instead of putting 20 different tracking code on every website for Google Analytics 4, MetaPigeon or Horzar, you only put one code on your website, the GTM content. From that moment on, you do not need to edit your website anymore. You just tell GTM, hey, whenever someone click on the specific sign up button, let Google Analytics phone know. It's like having a universal remote for your all tracking tools. You press one button in the GTM interface and it sends signal to all others. I am Malati Maksud, ROI driven web analytics expert. I am here to show you exactly what your customer are doing on your website. So stop guessing and start going with your data. On this channel, I take scary stuff like user interaction tracking, server-side tracking, first-party data collection, and automation turn into simple step-by-step plan that actually increase your sales and profit. In the old days, if you want to track a button, you have to call the developer. With theories and prayer, they had time to add the snip of code. It was a nightmare. But what if I told you there is a way for you, the marketer, the business owner, to take control without even touching the website's purport? Today we are talking about Google Tag Manager. One big point of confusion. Is GTM the same as Google Analytics 4? No. Google Analytics 4 is like a bucket. Yes, where your data lives, state and organized into reports. Google Tag Manager is a shovel. Is the tool you use to go get the data and throw it into the bucket. GTM does not have reports. It just delivers the information. Why should you bother lining this? Speed. You can launch a new tracking tag in 5 minutes or 5 days. Organize. Everything is in one dashboard. No more messy code hidden in your website layer. Auto tracking. GTM is smart. It can automatically listen for clicks from submissions or even how far someone scrolls down your page. Safety. It has a preview mode. You can test your changes to see if they work before you make them live into the public. If you mess up, you just hit undo with version control. Now a quick answer. GTM does not mean you should fire a developer. For real complex stuff, you still want that there. But for 80% of your daily tracking needs, you are now the boss. In my next video, I am going to show you exactly how you create your first account and install it on your website. If this made your life a little easier, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's make ROI driven marketing simple together. See you in the next one.